Hey guys, today I'm back with these Jungle Book nails, and if you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with painting my middle and ring finger with this green colour. And then once that was dry, I applied a foil glue, leaving that to go tacky. And then with this green hollow glitter, I'm just sprinkling it all over my nails, fully covering it. And then I went in with my brush and just started burnishing it into my nail, doing circular motions to make them flat. And then to make sure they were really flat, I just used my finger to rub it in. And then sprinkled off the excess with a fan brush. And then applied a top coat. 2 top coats because it's glitter. And then once that was dry, I used my MoU London literature, I can't remember what number, but this is the Jungle Book plate, and just stamped the bear in a dark brown polish. And then leaving it on the stamper, I just painted white for his eyes and going over it with a shimmery brown colour for his fur. And then while that decal was drying, I'm just using this top coat on a sponge and then just dabbing it on my nail, leaving that a tacky base in which I stamp on the dry decal. And then with that same plate, I'm just stamping the Black Panther. This time just stamping that straight onto my nail. And then with my index and pinky fingers, I'm painting with this dark green polish. And then I applied a no wipe gel top coat and stuck that in the lamp for 2 minutes. And then with this green to gunmetal powder multichrome, I'm just rubbing it in my nail and then dusting off the excess with a fab brush. And then applied a gel top coat. And back in the lamp. And then next I just went in with that green polish that I used at the beginning for my middle and ring fingers and just stamped the writing. And stamped that straight on my nail. And then cleaned up my cuticles with acetone and then applied a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these Jungle Book nails. God, we got a bit of everything in this one. We got chrome powders, glitters, you name it, stamping. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below and subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.